Good afternoon, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. Responding fire. We'll take a look what's going on here. We have currently a Hurricane Michael on the western tip of Cuba. That'll be moving north and become a major hurricane, making landfall in Florida. This will then move into the Carolinas, Virginia, and impact anybody along that area. So if you're in the area of the Florida Panhandle, and even east towards as far south of Tampa Bay, we need to be watching this closely. Winds, heavy winds, rain, what you expect, isolated tornadoes. And then this will move inland, be right around Charlotte on Thursday afternoon. That will be time frame in Thursday and Friday where Roanoke Valley will get it. And then we actually will probably see some Thursday and Friday also in the northeast situation, New Jersey, D.C. area up to Massachusetts could see some impacts. Taking a look at the latest tracks at 5 o'clock also. These tracks are pretty strong, tight from where the center will fall. So pretty good confidence in both the Euro and the GFS. Rainfall for Michael, we will see the 6 to 10 inches into Georgia. But you can see the Roanoke Valley here, 2 to 4. D.C., Baltimore, southern Jersey, Philadelphia, around that grasp, 2 to 4. That would probably likely cause flooding here in the Roanoke Valley. Unfortunately, we've had a lot of tropical systems this year. Also, even if it's a pretty decent storm, the outer bands could cause isolated tornadoes, so it's something we have to watch out for. Roanoke East on the day on Thursday into Friday. Other than that, that's what we have going on. We'll show you now the projected forecasts. Next, during the day Thursday, it'll move up into the Carolinas. By Friday, it'll be off the coast of New Jersey. This actually will be combining with a cold front, so that is the only reason it will not stall out and will not be a major catastrophic flooding issue for the Mid-Atlantic states. Other than that being said, we'll keep the weather going nice for the weekend and in the 60s for the most part for high temperatures. This is Dean Davison, meteorologist for the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. We'll update you soon.